Achieve cinematic, buttery smooth video with your Canon EOS RP, even when it counts. Let's dive into the essential steps to transform your EOS RP footage from jarring to professional. First, let's talk frame rate for the smoothest motion, especially when you plan on slowing footage down later. Consider shooting at 60 frames per second. This gives you more flexibility in post-production to reduce any accidental jitters. Your EOS RP has excellent in-camera stabilization. Make sure digital is turned on for an extra layer of internal smoothing. This works incredibly well for everyday shooting and walking shots. For the absolute best results, especially for deliberate camera movements like panning or tracking a subject, a gimbal is your best friend. Mount your EOS RP onto a compatible gimbal, balance it carefully, and practice your movements. Even a simple, slow pan can look incredibly polished this way. Once you've captured your footage, post-processing is key. Use your video editing software stabilization feature. Apply it judiciously. Too much can create a warping effect. Experiment with subtlety to smooth out minor shakes without compromising the integrity of your shot. By combining the right frame rate, leveraging your EOS RP's built-in stabilization, utilizing a gimbal when necessary, and refining your footage in post-production, you'll unlock a new level of smoothness and professionalism in your video creations.